Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear viewers, inshallah Kareem, in this video you will learn Surah Al-Baqarah ayat number 137 and 138 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فإن آمنوا بمثل ما آمنتم به فقد اهتدوا وإن تولوا فإنما هم في شقاق فسيكفيكهم الله وهو السميع العليم. Look at the word فَإِنْ آمَنُوا. Stretch khada zabar on hamza and stretch waw madda after noon. Be mithli. Pronounce tha without whistle sound. Ma amantum bihi. There is hamza after alif madda in the next word. It is madde munfasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. And you can see ta after noon sakin. Ta is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. And there is ba after mim sakin. The rule ikhfa shafwi will be done and gunna will be done in mim sakin. Faqadih tadaw. Pronounce ha from the bottom part of your throat. Wa in tawallaw. You can see ta after noon sakin. Ta is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Fa innama. Do gunna in noon mushaddad. Hum fi shiqaq. Do qalqala in qaf. Qalqala means to rebounce the sound, to return the voice. Because qaf is from qalqala letters. Fasayakfikahumullah. Pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thicker voice because there is pesh before it. Wahuwa sami'ul alim. Stretch madde ariz at the end. Madde ariz is done when a temporary sukoon comes after any madda letter. Temporary sukoon means when a letter becomes sakin because of waqf. In this word, mim is sakin because of waqf, and this temporary sukoon is coming after ya madda, so it will be madde ariz. You have to stretch up to 5 harakat. Next ayat. صبغة الله ومن أحسن من الله صبغة ونحن له عابدون. Look at the word صبغة الله. Pronounce sad with thicker voice because it is from mustaliya letters, and do qalqala in ba because ba is from qalqala letters. And also pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thicker voice because there is zabar before it. Waman ahsanu. Pronounce ha from the middle part of your throat. Minallahi. Pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thicker voice because there is zabar before it. Sibghatan wa nahnu lahu. You can see waw after tanween after two zabar. Waw is a yarmalun letter. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done in tanween. Abidun. Stretch madde ariz at the end of this word. Inshallah Kareem, in the next video you will learn next ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah.